What's up, everyone? Welcome to part 28 of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone. So now I'm going to go and create some XML to the application. So right now we will move forward from design to text. So right now I don't want constraint layout, move forward for linear layout. Alright, so inside the design view we will go and move forward for linear layout. So inside the linear layout we have a text which I don't want. So inside the linear layout I'm going to go and create an image to that. So we will go and look for image. So this is the image view. I'm going to go click on it and move it and click on project. We will need to have a logo to that, so I'll click OK. So after we have added a linear layout to it, so we have to go and put some orientation to that. Orientation will be vertical. Inside that we have to put a padding to that. Padding will be like, for example, 16 dp. So inside that we will have an image logo to over here. Then we have two dice over here, and we'll put a button because if we click on the button, these two dice have to move, and that's how the application is going to be final product. So that's what we are going to create. So inside this one we have to go and put a relative layout to that. I know relative layout will be match parent, height will be wrap contained. Alright, so inside the relative layout I want to have an image view to that. So after we have added a relative layout to it, we will go and move forward for image view, click on it and drag it and drop it inside the relative layout. Click on projects. So we will have a logo to that. This is the logo. Click on OK, and there you see our logo is on the top of the view. So alright, so after that we have to put a linear layout again, because we are going to add one dice image over here and another dice image over here, and then put a button down below. So for that we'll go and look for linear layout. So this is the layout, this is the linear layout. So I'll click on it, and after the relative layout, so this is the linear layout. Inside the linear layout we will go and put two images to that. So back with the common one image will come over here. That image is going to be a dice one. Click on OK. Okay, so this image is pretty big. Make the image a little smaller. So we will go and click on the dice image. So we will put a width, for example 100 dp, 50 dp, maybe 50 dp. Height also 50 dp. Okay, 100 dp, 100 dp. Height also 100 dp. This is how it looks. I guess 150 dp and 150 dp. So alright, so we are going to go and put, like, for example, horizontal will be vertical. Alright, and the layout we will put another image that is going to come over here. So again we will go and click on dice one, click OK. So it comes on another line. So this is because of match parent. So we will go and put 150 by 150 dp. And if this looks like this, we will go and put a horizontal to that. So that's about it. So that's what we want. Alright, so height will be 200 dp or 170 dp, maybe 160. Alright, so this looks nice to me. So now we will go and move forward to create one more relative layout. So we will go click on layout, and where is relative layout? I don't see any. So we will go and put relative layout. So this is the relative layout. Click, and we will put a relative layout to that. So that is a relative layout. We will add a button inside. So we will put a button inside. There is this relative layout, and there you see a button. So I want this button in the center. So I'll click on it, and here over here give the name, for example, in the button I'll put the text, for example, roll, because if I click on it, so it is going to roll the dice. keep R capital. So this is the role, and text button. So this is going to be the ID text button. We have to keep it on center. I don't see anything, so I'll view for all of the attributes, and then I want to go and find a center to it. So I'll drag it a little bit so it's much more easier for me. Center parent. So if I click on it, it just goes and move it on the center. So that's about it. So right now I want a background to it as well. So for that I am going to go inside my design, inside my text, and I'll put a image to that. So app is equal to im image src. So I'll put a background to that. Android background, it will be inside a drawable code. So it just shows drawable background, and that's so simple. So this is the background image which we have, and this is the design how it looks. So that's how simple it is. So we just made a logo to that and put 2 of the dices over there and put a roll button to that. You can get more creative and find a good images of dice, but this is the simplest dice I found it. Actually I didn't found it, I just got an image, I just photoshopped it, and I made a smaller square one, so it just shows 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 dots to it. So that's about it for this video. Next we will go and put some functionality to this one. So see you guys in the next one.